What the judge said next left the entire courtroom in silence. Accused's illicit affair with deceased's wife cannot lead to abetment of suicide conviction. The court reiterated that for a charge under Section 306 IPC to hold, there must be a positive act of instigation or incitement with a clear mens rea. The accused's illicit relationship alone cannot constitute abetment of suicide conviction. The prosecution must establish one of the circumstances contemplated under Section 107 IPC. The prosecution must establish one of the circumstances contemplated under Section 107 IPC, namely instigation, conspiracy, or intentional aid. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court of India has clarified that an accusation of abetment of suicide cannot be sustained solely on allegations of an illicit relationship between the accused and the deceased's spouse. The judgment was delivered by a bench comprising Justices K.V. Viswanathan and Atul S. Chandurkar. The case arose from the death of Komal Sahu, whose body was discovered hanging from a tree. A special investigation team, SIT, ruled out homicide and concluded that the death was a case of suicide by hanging. During the investigation, witness statements alleged that the deceased's wife had repeatedly humiliated him in the presence of the accused, who was allegedly engaged in an illicit relationship with her. The prosecution alleged that the accused had subjected the deceased to mental cruelty, which drove him to take his own life. However, the Supreme Court held that the material collected by the prosecution was insufficient to make out an offence under Section 306 IPC. Was this verdict fair, or did the judge go too far? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. Now, you have the right to seek legal help within 24 hours of being arrested. Know your rights and don't delay. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.